Welcome to Mini Orange. How to configure Drupal single sign-on SSO using Azure AD. You can download the module from the link below. Download the zip folder of the Mini Orange SAML Service Provider module for Drupal. Go to the Extend. Click on the Install New Module button. Browse and choose the downloaded zip. Then click on Install button. Click on Enable Newly Added Module. Search for the Mini Orange SAML. Click on checkbox to enable Mini Orange SAML Service Provider. And click on the Install button to enable the module. Go to the configuration. And select Mini Orange SAML Login Configuration. Now, go to the Azure AD portal. Click on Azure Active Directory from Azure Services. Click on the App Registration. Click on New Registration. Enter application name. Copy the ACS URL and paste it in the redirect URL in Azure AD. Paste redirect URL here. Click on Register. Click on Expose an API. Click on Set to Change Application ID, URL. Copy the SP Entity ID issuer and paste it in the Application ID, URL in Azure AD. Paste SP Entity Issuer URL here. Click on Save. Click on Overview. Click on Endpoints. Copy Federation Metadata Document Endpoint. In Mini Orange SAML module, go to Service Provider Setup tab. Click on Upload IDP Metadata. Paste the Federation Metadata Document URL you copied from the Azure AD endpoints. Click on Fetch Metadata. You can edit Identity Provider as per your choice. Click on the Enable Login with SAML option. Now click on Save Configuration. Then click on Test Configuration. You have successfully performed test configuration. Click on Done. In Mini Orange SAML module, go to Mapping tab. Click this checkbox to enable role mapping. Click on Save Configuration. Let us see how it works. Open a new browser private window and go to your Drupal site. Click on Login using Azure AD. Sign in with Azure AD credential. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into Drupal site using Azure AD. You have successfully configured Azure AD with the Drupal single sign-on module. If you have any questions or concerns, or in case you need any sort of assistance in configuring the module, please reach out to us at drupalsupport@securify.com.